Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight I'm going to review the product safety purse. Well, this is a clear view stove knob covers. This is the best cover that you could ever use to protect your stove. If you guys have a 1-year-old or a 2-year-old child or children, and that's the reason why I got this. I have a 1-year-old child that used to turn on the gas stove, and this is the protection that I'm going to use. Alright guys, installing the safety purse sa cover, the clear cover, stove knob protector. All you need to do, just remove this stove knob. Removing this, you need to pull this backward, and now we're already removed. You need to put this the clear view stove knob cover. By putting this, it has an open in the middle. This is an open middle, and there's a push button. Once you push it down, and you need to push also the clear plastic, and now it's open already. So once you open it, all you need to just put it like that, and you need to place it back the gas stove knob. By putting it back, this back, the gas stove knob, make sure that this arrow should line up to the mark on the top. So it means to say that your gas stove is off, and make sure it's up. I already put the other knob to the side, and this is the newly one clear view cover knob that I put it in. And all you need to do, just place it back like this. And if you have a child or children aging 1 to 3 years old, or 2 years old rather, they can no longer turn this on. Look, they can. The reason why I got this type of clear view stove knob cover to protect my gas stove, because I have a 1-year-old child that used to turn on my gas stove, and you know, it's very dangerous for us to not to protect this gas stove. So, and I got this gas stove clear view protector from I just buy this from Amazon. I got this for $30 only. So if you guys will buy this, you know, I will recommend you to get this. This is the best safety clear view doorknob protector for your gas stove. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe and like my channel. Until next time guys, may God bless you all. Bye.